Deep in the arid zone, our facility raises the resilient camel for the world's most durable leather.
Sand and dust are meticulously washed away to prepare the hides. Handling these desert giants requires robust infrastructure.
Automated conveyors transport the livestock smoothly through the processing zones.
Our capacity is scaled to meet the global demand for exotic leather.
Digital mapping analyzes the unique grain structure of every hump. Quality assurance begins at the microscopic level.
Rapid cooling chambers preserve the hide's moisture immediately.
Robotic arms assist in handling the heavy, thick camel hides.
The initial wash rehydrates the skin after the dry desert environment.
Manual cleaning removes any desert debris embedded in the fibers.
Dehairing machines strip the coarse coat to reveal the leather.
Organic softeners derived from cactus are added to the mix. Tanning drums rotate for days to soften the notoriously tough camel skin. Constant monitoring ensures an even texture throughout the hide.
High-pressure rinsing removes excess salts and minerals.
Wringers extract moisture, readying the leather for heat treatment.
The drying chamber simulates intense desert heat to set the leather. The result is a sheet of leather known for having 10 times the strength of cowhide.
Our warehouse stores the cured hides in a humidity-controlled environment.
Flame treatment removes stray fibers and smooths the natural grain.
This process seals the surface, enhancing water resistance.
Heavy rollers compress the fibers for a dense, uniform finish.
Stretching maximizes the flexibility of the naturally stiff skin.
Automatic cleaning keeps the production floor sand-free.
Texture pressing enhances the unique grain pattern of camel leather. Buffing creates a soft, nubuck-like finish on the reverse side.
Lasers etch intricate desert-inspired patterns into the surface.
Post-laser washing reveals the sharp contrast of the design. A protective coating seals the leather against extreme elements. Hydraulic embossing stamps, our mark of authenticity. Sorting teams categorize the leather by color and grain quality.
Digital scanners ensure uniform thickness for premium goods. Our logistics center holds thousands of rolls ready for export.
Custom earth tone dyes are mixed on-site.
Deep dyeing infuses the leather with rich, warm colors.
Curing locks in the pigment, ensuring fade resistance. Bundles are carefully packed for the cutting department.
Laser precision maximizes the yield from each unique hide.
Parts are organized into kits for rapid assembly. Efficient transport ensures the sewing lines never stop. Embroidery machines add decorative stitching to the panels. Skilled operators oversee the complex stitching process.
The golden camel emblem is stitched with precision.
Artisans assemble rugged bags designed for travel.
The production floor hums with the sound of productivity.
Leather jackets are fitted with heavy-duty zippers.
Hot creasing seals the edges for a refined look.
Traditional techniques ensure long-lasting quality.
Boots are constructed to withstand rugged terrain. Each boot is polished to a high luster. Belts are crafted from the most durable hide sections.
Brass hardware complements the warm leather tones.
Modern accessories combine tradition with technology.
High-volume lines supply the global market.
Gold hardware adds the final touch of luxury.
Rigorous inspection guarantees perfection.
Leather caps are molded for style and durability.
Headwear is stitched with the same attention to detail.
Gloves are hand-shaped for a perfect fit.
Small goods are boxed for retail distribution.
Our flasks are wrapped in premium leather for insulation.
Hand wrapping ensures durability in any climate.
The sneaker line runs non-stop to meet demand.
Blending desert durability with urban style.
Notebooks bound in camel leather are a mark of distinction.
A final wipe ensures a flawless presentation.
All waste is recycled, respecting the environment.
From the sands of the desert to the height of fashion.
Experience the unique texture and strength.
Martin at Footwear in Blue. Our team in green delivers quality you can trust.
A journey of resilience and craftsmanship.
Precision in every step of the process. Engineered for comfort and longevity. Multiple layers ensure maximum protection. This
is the future of sustainable leather.